Next is dietitian Joel Ferrin with a healthy and delicious recipe.
Apple crumble is one of my all-time favourite desserts. Mind you, I think it's a beloved option of most Aussies. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious apple crumble. The secret ingredient is Ensure vanilla powder, adding protein, calcium, 28 vitamins and minerals to give you strength and energy. The addition of these key nutrients can help support the strength of your bones, muscles and immune system. Combine half a cup of flour, quarter a cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 50 grams of butter and half a teaspoon of cinnamon in a mixing bowl. Now get your hands dirty. Use your fingertips, rub the butter into the flour mixture until it's combined and crumbly to touch. Then place 600 grams of tinned apples, 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cloves and lemon juice in a pot and cook until the apples become soft. Finally, add half a cup of Ensure vanilla powder and stir through. Spoon the apple mixture into a baking tray and scatter the crumble mixture evenly over the apples. Bake in a preheated 180 degrees Celsius oven for 20 minutes or until golden brown. It's a delicious way to include protein, calcium, zinc and a host of other nutrients. If you want to try my apple crumble at home, then head on down to your local PharmaSave, discount drugstores or Chemist King Pharmacy and get yourself some Ensure vanilla powder.